Welcome, everyone, to the game's miniature toys. In today's video, we're diving into the unboxing and review of the Jeep Wrangler for XE diecast model by Majorette. Let's take a look at this stunning piece. The Jeep Wrangler for XE comes in a vibrant red color, neatly packed in its carded packaging. This model, manufactured in Thailand, is priced at $499 here in India, which is a reasonable price for the level of detail it offers. I've already unboxed it, so here is the 4-door version of the Jeep Wrangler for XE, crafted with a metal body and a plastic chassis. This model proudly displays the Majorette logo, along with the Made in Thailand inscription. It's a solid, well-built model that feels great in hand. One feature I absolutely love is the working suspension on all 4 wheels. Plus there's an extra spare tire on the back. The front end of this vehicle, with its grille headlights and bumper, is designed with impressive accuracy. Honestly, the front design even reminds me a bit of the Mahindra Thar, a popular off-roader here in India. Additionally, both the front doors are openable, adding that extra touch of realism that makes this diecast even more appealing. I hope you enjoyed the review. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. Your support helps boost my channel and lets the YouTube algorithm know what you enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next unboxing video.